Hey everyone! Today we're going to walk through the essential steps for integrating your Klaviyo email platform with your Shopify store. This connection bridges your e-commerce data with advanced marketing tools. 1. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. We start by accessing the marketplace where all Shopify integrations reside. Access Admin Panel, log in to your Shopify account and verify you are on the main admin dashboard. Locate Apps. In the sidebar of the admin dashboard, find the Apps link. Click Visit Shopify App Store to open the marketplace. Next, search and install the Klaviyo app. You must search for the exact application to ensure a successful installation. Search, use the App Store search bar and type Klaviyo Email Marketing and SMS to find the correct application listing. Start installation, click Add App on the Klaviyo listing to open the installation wizard. Confirm, review the permissions and prompts, then click Install App to finalize the installation. Next, post-installation setup. Once installed, you can begin configuring Klaviyo's core features. Access Klaviyo. Access the Klaviyo interface directly from your Shopify admin panel. Configure features. Begin configuring the key marketing tools, email campaigns, design and schedule newsletters and promotions. Customer segments. Target customers based on behavior or demographics. Automation. Set up triggered messages like welcome series or abandoned cart flows. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.